Is Seedream 4.0 the Nano Banana killer? We tested the 5 best features of the new AI model from Bytedance, now available on Higgsfield AI. Let me put you to a test. So, I used the same text prompt to create an image using 3 top image models. Which one stands out? Obviously, this one. This is generated from Seedream 4.0, and it is currently topping benchmarks for aesthetics and realism. The easiest way to access Seedream 4.0 is from the Higgsfield AI platform. Higgsfield hosts several elite models, but 4.0 is the one you want for peak realism. Let me show you first how to get unlimited generations using Seedream 4.0. Open Higgsfield and go to Image tab. From here, click on Seedream 4.0. Now, how do you get it unlimited? Higgsfield's Pro and Ultimate plans currently offer Seedream 4.0 Unlimited for 1 year. This means for a flat monthly fee, around $17 a month on the annual Pro plan, you can generate infinite images without worrying about burning credits. That is a massive advantage for high-volume creators. Now let me show you 5 top features which no other image model offers currently. Feature 1. Native 4K resolution and speed. Seedream 4.0 is incredibly fast. It can output 2K resolution images in under 2 seconds. It supports native generation up to 4K. Let's test the detail retention with a prompt focused on complex textures and lighting. Look at that result. The lighting is realistic, no plastic sheen, no weird artifacts. When we zoom in, the detail holds. This quality, this fast, is why Seedream 4.0 is a serious contender. Feature 2. Precision aspect ratio control. Square images are useless if you're making an Instagram story or a YouTube header. In Higgsfield, you can force the AI to compose the scene specifically for the format you need. It doesn't just crop, it understands the frame. Let's test a wide cinematic scene perfect for a 16:9 background and then switch it to a 9:16. Perfect. Balance composition utilizing the full width, now 9:16. From the Instruct tab, we can give instructions to change the aspect ratio. See how it recomposed the shot? It emphasized the height of the windows. This saves you hours of editing. Feature 3. Batch generation, the workflow hack. Why generate 1 image when you can generate 4 or even 9? In Higgsfield, you can generate up to 4 images with 1 prompt and it will cost 1 credit per image in batch generation. If you don't want to spend credits, you can use single image generation feature. Let's try a dynamic street photography prompt, which is hard for AI to get right on the first try. 4 options, 1 click. Image 1 is good, but image 3 nailed the motion blur and the reflection. Instead of waiting 4 times, I found the perfect shot in seconds. Feature 4. Advanced compositing. This is the big one, the comparison to Nano Banana. It supports up to 6 reference images simultaneously. You can combine a product, a background, on a style reference all at once. Let's test product placement. I have a photo of this specific sneaker. I want this exact sneaker placed on a gritty urban rooftop. Look at this integration. The shadows match the sunset lighting. The perspective is correct. It didn't just copy and paste, it rendered the sneaker in the scene. Seedream 4.0 creates a more believable and aesthetically pleasing final image. Feature 5. Hyper-realism and prompt adherence. This is where Seedream 4.0 truly shines. Reddit users have noted that Seedream images look more true to life and have less of that plastic AI sheen. It understands natural language and complex, realistic scenarios exceptionally well. We're going to throw a complicated, real-world scene at it, focusing on human interaction, something AI often struggles with. This is excellent. The atmosphere is captured, the interaction, handing the bag, is natural and anatomically correct. The lighting is soft and ambient. It understood the nuances of the scene. This is B-roll quality generated instantly. Here's a bonus use case for you designers out there. You can take the logo of any brand and ask it to create branded mock-ups like this. This just omits the long process to visualize the concept and gets straight to the point. Nano Banana is still excellent for precise editing and preserving input details, but if you prioritize aesthetic quality, 4K resolution, speed, and hyper-realism, Seedream 4.0 is the tool to beat. And the fact that it's available unlimited on Higgsfield AI makes it indispensable for creators. Also, if you want me to use Seedream for a particular case to test it before buying, you can comment down and I will make a tutorial on it. You can get your discount offer for Higgsfield subscription from the description of this video. I want to know what you think. Try Seedream 4.0 with your imagination and drop your thoughts in the comments below.